Hi everybody, I am Miss Wade and I'm here to talk about our computer science program. I teach AP Computer Science and Mr. Lau generally teaches the principles of computer science. So I'm going to talk a little bit about both of the courses, but mostly AP Computer Science. So in AP Computers, in Principles, we do Scratch first semester and Python second semester. In AP Computer Science, we do Java. And at first, it's a little bit hard, especially if you haven't taken the Principles course, but it's set up in a way that we can help you get comfortable with the material pretty fast. Principles of Computer Science is a really good intro class because, especially second semester when you learn Python, it helps you with a lot of the tools for Java. So it's recommended, but it's not required. In AP Computer Science, obviously, we use computers. The Chromebooks should work fine, and the integrated development environment that we use to code, which is referred to as an IDE, we use CodeHS. That is used in both the AP and the Principles course. We do a lot of tech tools, so we use Pear Deck, used to be Edulastic for a lot of assessments, Canvas, CodeHS. We also do a lot of activities, like Kahoots and different types of games to help you. CodeHS is online, so you should be able to access it anywhere, from home, from school, and you can also collaborate with other students in class. Mr. Lau and myself are both available anytime during office hours or just by appointment if you want to come chat with us about Comp Sci. One thing that I think is really important about computer science is it teaches you problem solving and critical thinking, and those skills translate to any area. So even if you aren't going to be a coder, the skills you learn in the problem solving is so important for future careers. A lot of students really love how satisfying this class is once they get the hang of it, because you have your code, you do all this work, and all of a sudden, it does cool stuff on the computer, and that's really rewarding. And we do projects too, which is nice. And a lot of times students are kind of intimidated to try something new like computer science, especially if you haven't taken the Principles course. But I encourage you to try it because the way I have the class set up for AP Comp Sci, pretty much a beginner can do it. You definitely have to be willing to work hard, but it's a great course. We also try to do at least one field trip a year. We've gone to places like LinkedIn, Salesforce, over the years. Obviously during COVID we didn't go anywhere, but we went before and we've been since. So that's really great. Lots of good opportunities. We work on collaboration in class and working together and presenting. Lots of group thinking, which is very much relevant to the real world. If you go in industry, you have to work on teams. So we do a lot of that for coding. Anyway, here's a slide that just has some frequently asked questions. A lot of people just basically are wondering, can I take it if I have no experience? And like I said earlier, definitely you can. There's a lot of support in this class. And then a lot of people ask if the intro class is a requirement, and it's not. It's just highly recommended. Obviously, it's going to help. So if you have time and you want to take the intro class, I highly recommend it. It's a great class. But if you don't and you want to try coding and you want to do the AP class, you are more than welcome to. I think that it should be fine, and the way I have it set up, it's good. And if you're ever interested in robotics, it helps with that too. Anyway, thank you for listening, and I hope to see you in AP Comp Sci. Bye.